Hello friends, welcome back to Joy Shaving channel. How are all of you doing? And today what are we going to review? What are we going to see? What are we going to discuss? This is it. Finally I got my flexi, guys. Yeah. Excited to see what's there in it and what comes with this. Alright, without wasting any time, let's see. Alright, so we'll see the technical details of razor, etc. But let's first see what is there in the package. So this is the pack, okay, hard, non-plastic. This is a cardboard based pack, okay. You can see Pearl Flexi quintessentially luxurious. Very nice, okay. This is how it is. The new definition of shaving, okay. This is the razor, this is the stand. And this is a booklet, Pearl Flexi quintessentially luxurious. Okay, so there are the details about this razor. So it is height is 90 mm, handle height is 83 mm, type is 2-piece, head is close comb, weight is 130 grams, blade gap is 0.35 mm to 1.4, 0.35 being the mildest setting, that means setting number 1, and 1.4 mm would mean setting number 6, and we'll see that. And all the detailed instructions are given here, how to use, how to maintain. This is very important information, how to maintain. And then shaving guide, you can follow this for a guidance on how to shave. So good, very good. It's not just a razor, not just a product. I feel it is the company Pearl Shaving intends to connect with the customers in a very long-term relationship. Alright, so now let's see what all things which we get with the Pearl Flexi. And there are some of the things which are going to come after Diwali, as was mentioned by the company. So this is the warranty card, warranty registration here. This is the razor, this is the stand, the brush, and then surprisingly you get 2 packs of Glad's blades and you get 1 pack of Willys blades. Okay. In addition, and the brush comes in a box like this. Okay. And of course, we saw the box of Flexi already. So now this being said, let's see what's there in the warranty card. So there is this pearl cloth which you can use to wipe or clean the razor. Okay. Let's not see that. And there is no harm, but okay, then there are terms and conditions. If you want to see, you can pause and see them in detail. Okay, and there is this warranty registration. Okay, warranty card, and with this also what I observed, there is a serial number. Okay, so you can see there is a serial number here. Okay, and this is made in India. Let me check that. There's a serial number here, like mine is 20M0078, and then it's made in India. Here you have the knob to separate the top cap from the razor. Okay, let's also see how it works with a blade. So I'm using a Willys blade, so let me just keep the blade in the top cap, which is like this. And then let us place the body of the razor and then screw it in. Okay, and then you may require to do it's not actually adjustment. Yeah, the screw must fit in properly. Okay, so now so this is setting number 1, which is the most mild. So here it is on setting number 1. You can see this red dot you can actually use to set. Okay, and then as we increase it, okay, you see that the blade gap increases. There is a gap between the base plate and the blade. That means it has become aggressive. And I'll also come to know when we shave exactly with this razor, and that video is going to be very soon. just after this one. Now you see the blade alignment. For me personally, I think it is fine. It is perfect. I don't see any issues with the blade alignment. Now you may feel that this is the overhang, but it's not an overhang. It's something to cover the razor overhangs basically. Okay. So there is no overhang. Actually, there is no overhang. If you can see, the blade completely with the overhang itself resides inside the head. So it does not, the overhang does not come out. The sides do not come out. Okay. And then if we turn it back to setting number 6, this becomes aggressive. You can see from here now that the aggression would decrease and it becomes mild when the blade gap decreases. Okay. With this you also get a synthetic brush. I'll especially like this because, you know, it gives me a feeling of whether you're scuba diving or something and there are goldfishes. However, different people will definitely have different interpretations, but the handle is good, sturdy, and the knot is, I think it would be fine for a nice lasering shave. Okay, this is the stand, so this is how we place it. And of course, one of the important things is that you can get it customized. I requested the name to be added as Joy. That is my first name. Most of the people do not know actually. Joy Shaving is channel name, but my actual name is also Joy. Okay, so it looks good, isn't it? I'm getting good vibes about this razor, so I'm going to shave with it and then we'll see how the performance is. Now I'm going to use the Willys blade in the next video for a shave, and then let's see. Now in addition to all this, you're also going to get 4 options to select from, either a combination of shaving soaps and pre-shave oil or bathing soaps, etc. So I'll just show you what options I got from Pearl Shaving and you can see those. Okay. I don't want to exaggerate. This feels really heavy. Of course, it definitely must be 130 grams, and yeah, I think this gives you an option of using the razor in mild setting as well as aggressive, so feels good. Let's meet in the next video for an exciting shave with the Pearl Flexi, which is this. Looks so beautiful, very elegant, the stout handle. Isn't it good? So keep up the good shaves. Bye bye and namaskar.